Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel for Linux. And this is Rai Ahmed with you. I'm a computer expert and a photography hobbyist and a microscopy hobbyist. So you can watch my channel. You can see lots of clips about different accessories for telescopes and microscopes. Okay. Now, with the this video, I'm going to talk about like in my opinion, this is the best laser collimator for Newtonian telescopes. This is from Hotech. Okay, and I have the two models. Okay, yesterday I had the second model, which is this one. Okay, so on the top is the Crosshair model, and the bottom is the dot model. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the difference between both. Okay, this one I had before from like around at least 2 years. Okay, 2 to 3 years. So, and they are very expensive, by the way. I don't think they are cheap. Okay, now see they come with leather box. Okay, you can smell it even. Very, very beautiful smell. True leather. Okay, now both have the same shape. Okay, so I can see here. Okay, here this one. Okay, and we're gonna mix them because one is for crosshair model and one is for the dot model, and it's just the way the light is projected as a laser light. Okay, so yeah, same. This one is very new and still feel the smell. Okay, the other one, the Crosshair model, still has the smell from years. Okay, but see, here they are. This is the dot model. Okay, this is the Crosshair model. Okay, put it back. Okay, and both they come with the same battery. Okay, same kind of battery. This one. Okay. Okay, same size. Uh, Now I'll show you how they are both, how each one is giving light. Okay, or why one of them is crosshair, the other is a dot model. Okay, now to turn it on, and before talking about turning it on, it has like an adapter from 1.25 inch focuser to 2 inch focusers. Okay, this is 1.2 inch, 25, 1 1/4. Okay, this here, the rubber over here. Okay, if you rotate it, okay, so you rotate it in order to make the adapter stay inside. Okay, so you can see. Oh, damn, it's the plug. Anyway, so here for yeah, I mean it helps it from not falling. Okay, and regarding the light, okay, say the other one is the same. Okay, doesn't matter if this falls. Okay. If this one fell. Okay, what I'm saying. Okay, so we turn it on like this. Okay, the battery is inside. Here, the battery. Okay, so we turn it on by just screwing the cap. Okay, so let me show you how it shows a crosshair model. Crosshair. Okay. Yeah, it's turned on. So you can see here there's a cross. Okay, there's a plus sign. Okay, see, I'm rotating it so I can see across. Okay, let me show you now the other one, which is the dot model. You're just gonna see a dot, not without a cross. Okay, so it's the same, but there's a cross on a dot. Okay. Yeah, there's no light now. There's light now. Okay, put it back. Okay, and you can understand also how did I turn it on and turn it off. Okay, just by screwing in the screwing out the cap, okay, of the battery. And also don't forget to see here in the 2-inch adapter. There's this. Okay, screw. Just put it up towards upwards. Okay, put it upwards so it can easily close the lid of the box. Okay. Okay. See, now you can see it closing firmly. Okay, and just put it back in that white box here. Okay, now back to the dot model. Okay, see how it's like how the adapter is falling. Okay, this is because of this. Okay, same way. Okay, same method. Okay, so I'm gonna just, okay, now it's falling quickly. But then when I let me just for easiness change it. Okay, and change the screwing. Okay, and you'll see how it's not falling. Okay, now now let's turn it on. Okay, now here. Anyway, oh, okay, see, it's not giving you any cross, just a little dot. Okay, the number, you can see just only one line. Okay, not multiple lines. Okay, like you saw in the first one. Now okay, yeah, dot. Just screw the cap and it turns off. Okay, I'm trying my best to show it, to show everything about it. Okay, now how to use it on a telescope. First of all, get your focuser. The focuser has to be like at the very bottom. Okay, not like not going up. Okay, just all down to the bottom. Then it's up to you whether you want to use the 2-inch or the 1.25 inch. Okay, and then let's say I'm using the 1.25 inch. Okay, in a Newtonian telescope. This is mainly for Newtonian telescopes. Okay, now this pocket over here, okay, has to be facing the bottom of the telescope. Okay, so the bottom of your telescope has the primary mirror. Okay, the big mirror beside the telescope, so it has to face the big mirror of the telescope. Okay. Okay, so this is the big mirror. Okay, over here, and this is your collimator. Now, also, once you turn it on, okay, if I turn it on, turn it on like this. Okay, so imagine that the light, okay, has to be reflected towards the pocket. Okay, and the dot, you must see it go inside the black dot. Okay, let's see it go into the black dot, not like this, like this. Okay, with a very hot red inside. Okay, now you know, in a Newtonian telescope you have primary, I mean secondary mirror, which is a flat mirror, and there's a concave mirror, the primary mirror. Okay, so you have the secondary mirror over here, the primary mirror over here. Okay, and the light from the laser must go down on the flat secondary mirror, and the secondary mirror will reflect it towards the bottom at the primary mirror. And the primary mirror, okay, you should see on it the dot from the laser on its center, okay, very exact center as much as you can, okay. And then the light must not go outside the telescope, it must return over here, okay. How? Like the for example, the mirror, okay, should give the reflection towards the flat mirror, not like reflected like this, for example, and goes takes the light outside, okay, because you know the collimator and the flat mirror are on the same line, you know, okay. So it should not go like this. The laser should go directly towards the flat mirror, the primary, the secondary mirror, the flat mirror, okay, here, yeah, that's which we said it's below the collimator, so it must direct the light towards the collimator inside here, okay. And then the dot, you must see it inside the black dot over here, okay. Should not go anywhere, okay. It has to be inside here, okay, inside the very center of the pocket over here. So now remember, to make the light go inside the center of the primary mirror, you have to play with the screws of the flat mirror, okay, and use the L screwdrivers, okay. And you don't have to like turn it like as if you're turning, no, a little bit, okay, a little bit, like there are 3 screws, so just screw one here, screw one here, screw one here, like this, okay, like by twisting until you find it, okay, try and error until you find it going into the center, and then you change the screws of the primary mirror too, in order to make the light go back to the pocket, okay, and also to the center of the pocket, okay. So the primary mirror usually on the telescope, Newtonian telescope, has 6 screws, each 2 screws, okay, each 2, okay. Well, there's one small, there's one big, okay. So the smaller one will be a lock on the bigger one, okay. So you use the unlocking screws, okay, and then you play with the big screws, okay, with your hand, okay. And don't turn it a lot, okay. Just turn it in a way that it will make the lights of the laser go back towards the center of the pocket, and that's it, okay. Don't let the light go outside the telescope. So for example, this is the tube of the telescope, okay, and as like I said, it doesn't have to go like this, okay. It has to go directly towards the collimator, okay. I don't have to see it on the wall, okay. See the lights going on the wall or anywhere in your room, okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching.